Getting your property winter-ready doesn't have to be costly. With a few budget-friendly upgrades, you can protect your property from cold weather, keep it comfortable, and even save on energy costs. Today, we're going to cover 5 affordable upgrades that will help prepare your property for winter without breaking the bank. These improvements not only make a property more attractive to tenants or buyers, but also save you money in the long run by preventing winter-related damage and high energy bills. First, let's talk about ceiling drafts. Drafts around doors and windows are common in older properties, letting in cold air and making heating systems work harder. Sealing these drafts is one of the simplest, most affordable ways to improve energy efficiency. You can use weather stripping for doors and windows, which is inexpensive and easy to install. Check the edges of each window and door and apply weather stripping where you feel a draft. Caulking around windows is another quick fix that prevents cold air from coming in. A few dollars spent on sealing drafts can lead to noticeable savings on heating bills, and tenants or buyers will appreciate the warmer, more comfortable indoor environment. Next on the list is adding insulation to critical areas. Good insulation keeps heat inside, which is essential in winter. While insulating an entire property can get pricey, focusing on key areas like the attic or basement can be very cost-effective. The attic, in particular, is a major source of heat loss, so adding or upgrading insulation there can make a big difference. You don't need to hire a professional for this job. Insulation rolls are available at most home improvement stores, and installation can be a DIY project if you're comfortable doing it. Better insulation keeps your property warm and reduces heating costs, making it a worthwhile investment for both you and your tenants. Another budget-friendly upgrade is installing a programmable thermostat. In winter, tenants often end up spending more on heating, and a programmable thermostat gives them better control over temperature settings, saving energy when heat isn't needed. These thermostats allow you to set different temperatures for different times of the day. For example, you can set the heat lower during the day if no one is home and have it automatically increase before they return. Basic programmable thermostats are affordable and easy to install, but they make a big difference in comfort and efficiency. This upgrade shows tenants that you're thinking about their needs, and it helps lower heating bills. A win-win. The fourth upgrade is adding door sweeps. Door sweeps are simple strips that attach to the bottom of doors, blocking drafts from coming in underneath. They're especially useful on exterior doors, which are often a source of cold air leaks. Door sweeps are inexpensive, easy to install, and can make a noticeable difference in keeping rooms warmer. By blocking drafts, you reduce the strain on the heating system and create a cozier environment. This small touch helps improve energy efficiency and makes tenants or potential buyers feel that the property is well cared for. Finally, consider using window insulation film. This plastic film is an affordable way to reduce heat loss through windows. It's applied directly over the window pane and secured with heat, usually from a hairdryer, to create an airtight seal. This film is clear, so it won't block light or make windows look unattractive, but it does create a layer of insulation that reduces drafts and keeps warmth inside. Window insulation film is especially helpful for single-pane windows, which are less energy efficient than double-pane windows. This simple upgrade is an effective way to reduce energy costs and make the property feel warmer without a large investment. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we're all about helping property owners find cost-effective ways to improve their properties and keep them comfortable through all seasons. These winter-ready upgrades show that a property is well-maintained and energy efficient, which attracts tenants or buyers and helps property owners save on energy expenses. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us, and let's talk. In summary, preparing your property for winter doesn't require a huge budget. With a few affordable upgrades, like sealing drafts, adding insulation to key areas, installing a programmable thermostat, adding door sweeps, and using window insulation film, you can make a property warmer, more efficient, and more attractive to tenants or buyers. These upgrades prevent winter-related issues, lower heating costs, and show that the property is well maintained. If you need help managing your property and preparing it for winter, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to support you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.